Lucifer and Thor, Captain America, and Wolverine, and it's her.
Phoenix.
Phoenix. They're all at the finish line.
They all won.
Yeah. They got all the way to the finish line. But the bad guys didn't. They didn't get to the finish line. Bad guys didn't get to the finish line.
Well, I'm glad the good guys won.
Why is he sad? Why is he sad?
Because he had to slide down the slide.
And why is he happy?
Because he was at the top.
And why is he happy at the top? Why is he happy at the top?
He was happy at the top before he fell down.
Why is he sad at the bottom?
Because he had to go back.